Hey, what's up guys, I'm KB Kwan. Welcome back to my channel, Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to make some beef stew with potatoes. And I've uploaded one Chinese style beef stew in the past, which is Cantonese style. So today I'm going to make a bit of changes by putting some Sichuan flavor into it. Let me show you how to do it. Fill up the stock pot with some water and wait until it comes to a rolling boil. And then add some ginger slices, some spring onion, Chinese wine, then I put a large chunk of beef into the water, and then wait until it comes back to a boil again. When the water comes back to a boil again, remove the scum floating on top. This step is to remove the impurity of the beef so that the gravy of the beef stew will become cleaner. The ginger, spring onion and wine also helps to remove any unwanted smell. Cut the beef into large chunks, about 1.5 inches. Place the beef in a colander to remove as much water as possible. Then place the beef in a wok without any oil over low to medium heat. And then stir fry it over low heat until all the water during blanching initially has been evaporated. When it has become quite dry, I remove half of it from the wok. Then I'll add some oil, and put it into a single layer and sear both sides until brown. The browning process will add an additional layer of flavor which cannot be achieved by simply just stewing the beef. So when it's done, I'll remove this beef and then continue to complete the second half of the beef that I have taken out just now. Next, prepare the spices that we need: cinnamon bark, bay leaves, cloves, star anise, and some rock sugar. If you don't have rock sugar, you can use any sugar will do. Place the beef in the pot and all the spices, the sugar, sufficient water to submerge all the beef, light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce. Please refer to the recipe in the description for the exact quantity I use. Shaoxing wine, a little bit of oyster sauce, which is optional. Besides that, I also saute some chopped garlic with some oil. When the garlic turns aromatic, add the chili bean paste for the Sichuan flavor. When the chili bean paste also turns aromatic, transfer it to the pot of beef. Bring it to a boil and then reduce the heat to as low as possible, and then let it simmer for about 1.5 hours. After stewing the beef for slightly more than 1.5 hours, it's already quite soft now. So the next thing is we're going to add in the potatoes. And also the carrots. Now continue cooking for about another 20 minutes or until the vegetables become soft. Meanwhile, do a taste test. You need to add a little bit of salt. When the potatoes has turned soft, remove everything except the gravy to the serving plate. Then thicken the gravy with some cornstarch slurry. Transfer it to a serving bowl and drizzle the gravy on top. And garnish with some fresh coriander leaves. That's how to prepare Chinese beef stew with potatoes, and I hope you will love it. And as usual, I've left the recipe in the description below the video. And please subscribe, tap the notification, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.